Now, city officials say 4 Corpus Christi firefighters are in isolation after caring for and taking care of a cardiac patient to the hospital last night. We are told the crew was wearing personal protective equipment, but during the call, they had made some adjustments to their gear, posing a higher risk of exposure. Once at the hospital, staff determined the patient fit the criteria for COVID-19 and will be tested. The firefighters will stay in quarantine pending the results of that test.